step you want to do to get the Jubi Slide right and tight, ladies and gentlemen, you want to go 1, put your right foot up and bend that left leg, right? That's going to be the essence of the Jubi Slide. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Make sure when you're doing the Jubi, this is the motion you're doing the entire time. It is a very easy step, but it can be easily misconstrued, right? I have to take my shoes off so y'all can see it better. So you want to hit, slide, okay? Hit, slide, okay? Every time you hit, slide back, you automatically come up on that opposite leg. You know what I'm saying, right? So you're going hit, boom, okay? But it's got to happen at the same time. Like as soon as you switch, it should be ready to go with that other foot, right? So you're going 1, 2. As soon as that foot hits the ground, you're ready to slide back. It's like a moonwalk, right? It's the same thing as doing this. From the top, okay? Easy, y'all. You want to get this down. Foot down, come back. Foot down, come back. Foot down, come back. Foot down, come back. Once you get that, then you can add a jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you get that, then you could try moving to the left, starting with that left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, to the left. One time. See that? It look like you gliding on ice, no cap. You know what I'm saying?